Hi, this is Artin Behtad, and in this presentation, I'm going to talk about the real holy grail in Forex market. Please pay attention. This is very important presentation. So try to watch it to the end. Some people try to introduce holy grail to trader who are scammers. Please pay attention. Some scammers try to convince others that they have 100% or 99% accurate strategy. For example, they want to say, if you buy some strategy from us, you never lose a trade. It's wrong. Please pay attention. It's wrong. Every profitable strategy includes losing trade and winning trade. But with winning trade, they recover their losses and they gain more profit and they grow their account. Okay? So, some people try to convince people to buy a robot or EA from them for example, $100 or $300, and they, after that, can stand aside and make money for the rest of their life. It's not even logical. Please pay attention. You can't buy a robot and for the rest of your life, it can make a lot of money for you and you just turn on your computer. Or for example, some people say, they have an indicator that they do everything for you and you should just stand aside and watch it. Whenever, for example, there was a red arrow trade to sell, whenever it was a green arrow trade to buy, it's not going to happen. They are not holy grail. In fact, holy grail in Forex market is just 5 words. If you follow those words, you have holy grail. And you will be profitable, and yes, you can be profitable and make money and have a business for the rest of your life. If you follow just 5 words. The 5 words is want what the market wants. If in your trading you want what you want, you're not going to be profitable. But if you want what the market wants, you will be profitable and you can count out this profit for the rest of your life. Okay? So what does it mean? I'll show you a lot of examples. Don't worry. In fact, in my classes or all of my lessons, in my YouTube videos, my Instagram contents, in everything I teach you, I want to teach you how to understand market voice. Okay? How to find out what market wants to tell you. Okay? So after that, you will be able to want what the market wants. I'll give you an example. For example, when price, pattern, and momentum are in place for trading, in this situation, market wants to tell you price, pattern, and momentum are in the place. You should trade, okay? You should just be quiet and listen to the market. Please pay attention. We trade because market tells us we should trade, not because we want. That's why our trading is wrong. Our traders try to trade anyway, but you should just be quiet and listen to the market. Then put your trade because market wants you to put your trade. Okay? When indicator goes to overbought, in this situation, it's example. In this situation, market tells you indicator has gone to overbought. I'm not gonna tell you I'm gonna come back. So don't try to sell. But I tell you, up direction is limited. So don't try to put buy. Okay? The market voice when indicators gone to overbought is up direction is limited. She doesn't tell you it wants to come back. When you are a day trader and you are very close to high impact news and you want to set a trade, market tells you, please pay attention. A high impact news will be released in next couple of minutes. And I don't care about technical analysis anymore. So stand aside. You know, this is market voice. So you should stand aside if you're a day trader and you are very close to high impact news. Please be quiet and listen to the market. Or for example, when a market is in middle of the trend, in my YouTube channel, in my 3 days analyzing course, I taught you how to find a beginning, middle, and end of the trend in advance. Okay? If you haven't watched it yet, you can watch the 3 days analyzing course. It's free and learn to find when market is in beginning, when she's in the middle, and when she's at the end of the trend. Okay, so when market tells you it's in middle of the trend, at this point market tells you I'm in the middle of the trend and I want to go to the target zone, but meanwhile may I come back a little temporarily and go back in your direction. So don't set your stop loss too close to the price, okay, because I will come back temporarily. I don't want to kick you out of the trend, okay? So set your stop loss with rational distance to the price. When market has reached its target point, at this point, market tells you, I reached my target. Most likely, I want to come back. So set your stop loss really close to the price because it wants to come back. Okay? Set your stop loss really close to the price and listen to the market. Please pay attention. As a trader, you should be able to be quiet and listen to the market and just want what the market wants. That's where you have a holy grail. That if you have any question, please write it down in a comment box.